Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Alma and this is the look I created today. If you would like to see how I did it, stay tuned, keep on watching. I really love the way it came out and let me know what you guys think. Subscribe and I'll see you guys. Thank you so much. I like how it came out. Okay everybody, let's get started. Okay, I already moisturized my skin, so now I'm gonna go in with the MAC Fix Plus and I'm gonna prep with that. Okay, I'm gonna start off with this foundation. It's by Makeup Revolution. It's the Longwear Breathable Foundation, Soft Matte. And I remembered I got a really light color for this one. It's an F7. And I'm just gonna use that since it's the lightest shade I have in my collection. I'm just gonna use that to put on my face so I can look pale. So I put some on my hand and I'm gonna get my brush. Bless you, Lily. This is the Complexion Duo by e.l.f. and I'm just gonna pick it up and place it on my face. So here we go. I decided to go in with this one. It's a BB cream by L'Oreal. It's anti-redness. It's green. So I'm just gonna smear that all over my face to cancel out my redness and then continue with my application with the foundation. This brush is by e.l.f. Is the Putty Primer Applicator. I don't know, I just decided to go with this one to spread that out. I'm gonna pick up this concealer to prime my lids and a little bit on my under eye. This one is C2. It's the Filter Finish Soft Matte Concealer by Makeup Revolution. If you hear a little buzz, it's my little fan. I'm sorry, I need it. It's hot. I'm gonna pick up this brush. This one's Real Techniques Expert Edge Foundation Brush. I'm gonna use that to spread out the concealer. I'm gonna get my little brush, my Laura Mercier brightening under eye powder, and set my lids, set my under eyes. Okay, if you hear a sound like a fan, it's my air conditioner. I had to turn it off. It's hot today. Okay, so I already did my brows. Obviously I did them, okay, the way I did, it's the Fill and Fluff by NYX. Okay, just normal, the same way. And then I got an angled brush like this one with black powder, like eyeshadow, and I just, you know, powdered them up. And then I got a black mascara and then I combed the hairs down so they can stay down. With the black mascara also, you know, I just wanted the eyebrows to be darker. So now I'm gonna pick up this gray shade. It's called Scene by MAC. I know I need another one. And I needed a matte gray because I'm gonna contour with that. I'm already moving on to the contour. I haven't even done my eyes. But anyways, I don't know, I was just anxious to get to the contouring my face to see how it's gonna come out. Oh, it looks good. gonna drag it in like the hollows of my cheeks and go down a little bit and blend it all through. Doing this to my lips helps me like define, like see where the hollows of my cheeks are. So what I'm gonna do with this is just pretty much go all around my face with the gray eyeshadow. Today I'm having a Halloween get together. I'm very excited about it. Okay, so this is what I have so far. Next, I'm gonna use this black, it's a Carbon Black by MAC. Carbon Black, okay. It's an eyeshadow, and I'm gonna get the same brush. This one is a NYX brush. It has a number 5, that's all it says. So I'm using this one because it's really small and it's perfect and precise. So I'm gonna use that to darken the hollows of my cheeks a little bit more. I'm just gonna tap it in, okay, and then I'm gonna blend it out, and I'm just using that for the part that's closest to my hairline, just to have that dark effect. I just wanted to start off with the lighter color so I can see where I need to place, if I need any more darkness on the cheek, hollows of my cheeks. Put this on my head, close to my hairline. I'm just darkening up that part, that area, just a little bit, just to give it a little bit of dimension and darkness. Okay, so now let's move on with the eyes. Let's continue. So I'm gonna get a fluffy brush. I'm gonna get this one right here. It's a little dense. Pick this one up, and I'm gonna get that color, that gray scene from MAC, the one I used in the beginning. This one right here, okay? I'm gonna use that, and I'm gonna start with my lids, and I'm gonna just place it like where my crease is, and I'm just gonna keep blending it. Whatever's in my brush, I'm just gonna keep using whatever's left, and if I need to build it up, I'll go back in and maybe put some more. And I just want to share with you guys, my reference that I'm using is this one right here. This is one of my favorite looks of all time, like my favorite makeup, my favorite character. I don't know what her name is, but she's one of my favorite Morticia Addams actors, and I love her. I love the way everything. Okay, so I'm going in with the Jeffree palette. I'm gonna pick up SPF 666 right here, and it's a black color. It's really cute, and I'm gonna use that for my outer corner for that extra dimension. And I picked up a different brush. This is a Sanya Kashik one. This is like a Target brand, I think. And then I'm just, I tapped it a couple times on the shadow, and I'm just placing it and blending it. Whatever I have on my brush, I'm just blending it down. Okay, I'm picking up this pale shade. It's like the color, like lighter than my skin tone. It's called Brulee by MAC. Brulee. Hope you guys can see it. So I'm getting a small shading brush and I'm gonna just grab some with my brush and pack it on my lid because she has like an empty, like a pale lid. And I'm gonna use the same shade for the top underneath my brow just to highlight it a little. Now I'm gonna get this eyeliner. This one's a Rimmel Black. Okay, it's a pencil liner and I'm gonna line the bottom lash line with it. Okay, so I lined my waterline and the outside of my lash line, and now I'm gonna go in with this little tiny little itty bitty little brush. This one's by Sonia Kashuk, and I'm gonna smudge this through to make sure it's blended in. I'm gonna pick up that black shadow by MAC, the Carbon Black, and I'm gonna place it on the bottom lash line to set my eyeliner, and it'll last and it won't go nowhere. I kind of messed up. I did my eyeliner before my lashes, and I was supposed to do my lashes and then my eyeliner. So I'm gonna put my lashes on and I'll be right back. Okay, so I just picked up the Jeffree Star Macabre Manners, this one right here, because it's like a shimmery kind of satin. Here, I swatched it. It's this one right here, and I liked it, so I placed it right about here. So my lashes are on. I'm wearing the Ardell Wispies, and I trimmed them, and I just placed the outer part on it. And then I had to do this off camera because I get really nervous, but I got my L'Oreal Carbon Black Telescopic, this one right here, the eyeliner, to draw like more lashes on the bottom part. And I put eyeliner, a little kind of like a mini wing here. And here, let me continue with the gray because I really like the way it looked on my hand, and I'm like, yo, I should put this one on just a tad bit, and it's coming together really nicely. I took off the lip oil, so I'm gonna do my red lips in a moment. And dude, that looks really good. I like it. Let me know what you think. Now I'm gonna get Cherry Lip Pencil by MAC. I'm gonna line my lips. Okay, so I filled them in a little bit just because I want this color to last. And I'm gonna pick up Russian Red by MAC. This one right here, Russian Red. Okay, I love this lipstick. I haven't worn it in a long time, so here we go. Okay, what am I doing? I got some concealer and I dabbed it around my lips, and now I'm getting my concealer brush. This one is by Bare Essentials, and I'm just gonna outline my lips with it just so it can stand out. Gonna pick up a little bit of the Laura Mercier powder. I'm like almost done with this, and put it on the outside of my lips. Okay, everybody, and this concludes my makeup for Morticia Addams. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Subscribe if you haven't already, and for all my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. And there it is. Let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys liked it. I really enjoyed creating this look. I've been wanting to do Morticia for years, and I finally got the chance. Oh yeah, and I put some spiders on my earrings. I just thought it would be cool. And yeah, I'm gonna go get dressed now and have food and drink and have fun. Thank you guys so much. Have a good day.